Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify products not showing up on YouTube shop. So, if your Shopify products aren't appearing on your YouTube shop, follow these steps to fix the issue. Number 1 is ensuring that Shopify and YouTube are connected. Navigate to admin.shopify.com. Here, you'll have to navigate to sales channels and then navigate to Google and YouTube. And there you'll have to ensure that your store is linked to your YouTube channel under the shopping section. If disconnected, reauthorize the integration. Now, second way to fix this problem is verifying product eligibility. So your products must follow YouTube's shopping policies, that is no prohibited items. Ensure that your product have a valid GTIN, that is global trade item number if required. Third way to fix this problem is checking product availability. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, then navigate to products and select a product and check its sales and channels and app settings and ensure that YouTube is selected as an available sales channel. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is confirming inventory levels. So, a product must have available stock to appear. Go to product on your Shopify admin, then navigate to the product's inventory by clicking on inventory icon and ensure that the quantities are properly set. Make sure quantities are not zero and are available, then click on save and that will fix your problem. Now, fifth way to fix this problem is syncing products manually. In Google and YouTube, you can navigate to product feed and manually trigger a product sync, or you can also check for policy violations. You can navigate to YouTube Studio, then navigate to shopping and you can check for any disapproved products or errors and address any flagged issues and resubmit. Now, the last way to fix this problem is contacting Shopify or YouTube support. So if the issue persists, reach out to Shopify support or YouTube shopping support for troubleshooting. And after completing these steps, your product should start appearing in your YouTube shop. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.